In this section, we will install multimedia applications. Multimedia applications are those programs like VLC for playing videos, Audacious for playing music, GIMP and ImageSuite like Photoshop. ImageSuite is for you to editing and manipulating image. And Shooter for screen capture. We have installed Scratch here in section 5 for the print screen to capture your screen. But Shooter provide you much more options for screen capture and Veneer add image viewer. The first thing we need to do is adding PPA like in section 6. We will adding a PPA for Veneer. Enter. Provide my password. Enter to adding it. And the next for Caffeine. Caffeine is a program to keep your screen always on when you need to, like you are watching a video. Pause. Enter to add. And sudo apt get update again. When you're adding a repository, you always need to update. And I will pause the video to save time. Now the update has been completed. The next we will install all the package for this section. Copy and paste. Yes. Okay. Now we will test some applications. VLC. Yes, we have VLC, audio and video player. Then Audacious. It's giving us some error because we did not have any audio configurations. I will show you how to configure your audio in the next video. So we will press Ctrl C to exit Audacious command. We will test GIMP. Yes, GIMP 2.a. Full screen. Here we have another toolbar. Okay, just close it. And then Shooter. It will take a while. Okay. It will let you choose which desktop you want to capture or which window. Like we have the window running. Okay. Ctrl-C to completely exit shooter and veneer. For browsing image file. Okay. For now, I will end this video here.